Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pineapple upside down cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the caramel that goes on top. I'm making mine a little different to the usual, but into a small bowl place some brown sugar and some pineapple juice and mix the two together until you have a very kind of caramelly looking mixture. You'll know what you're looking for. Then take a 9-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and then just pour the caramel onto the base and spread it out until you've got an even coating all over. You can then go ahead and grab some pineapple rings. Feel free to use fresh pineapple, but I find tin pineapple works perfectly for this recipe as it's like perfectly cut to size and shape and everything. You can then place your pineapple rings into the base of the tin on top of the caramel, and really you can add more pineapple in with little bits in between the gaps, but that's completely up to you. And you don't have to, but you want to get as much of the pineapple in there as it's the main flavour of the cake. And then in between all of the holes, you'll want to add in some of these Glacé cherries. Again, you can use the maraschino or the cocktail cherries, whatever you've got available. So now that you're done with the base of the cake, you can go ahead and place this in the fridge just while you make the cake batter. So this will only take about 10-15 minutes at most. And don't worry, placing it into the fridge is the best bet. So to start on the cake, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the bowl place your butter, which is at room temperature, along with your sugar, and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. For me, this normally takes between 7 and 10 minutes to achieve the right consistency, but it may take more or less time for you depending on how soft your butter is and other environmental factors. Once you've achieved light and fluffy, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, as you don't want to scramble the mixture. So mix until it's fully incorporated and you can't see a trace of an egg. That's what you're looking for, and repeat this process with the remainder of your egg. Don't forget to add in your vanilla and mix in until it's fully incorporated. Now go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Now you can go ahead and add in the flour. I'm using self-raising, but feel free to use plain, followed by 1 teaspoon of flour, your ground almonds, and mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-high speed, ensuring that everything is incorporated and you have a smooth cake batter. You can then go ahead and grab the bowl and give it a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits of the dry ingredients that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Make sure you get right to the bottom, as sometimes they catch at the bottom of the bowl or at the very top of the bowl. It just depends, just incorporate them anyway. Now you can go ahead and grab the base, which has got the pineapple in, and pour your cake batter directly over the top of it, and just spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. This will help with the baking consistency, and it will help achieve that perfect consistency that you're looking for in a cake. You can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. Here is what the cake looks like once it's baked and being allowed to fully cool down. As you can tell, you can see all the pineapple, all of the cherries, what's not to love. So then I cut a very large piece. I recommend half of this, if not even smaller than that. I know that this isn't the most festive recipe, but it's something that I make every Christmas for my friends and family, as it's just an all-round crowd pleaser. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe to join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.